Hey everybody, here from Texas. It's great to be warm again. Didn't think I'd say that about the Houston heat. But I wanted to mention a couple of things in regards to the now recently federal declared disaster from President Joe Biden in regards to the winter storms here in Texas. It provides a couple of things. The first and most important thing that I want to make sure you know about is the extension for time to pay taxes that you owe and to file your current year tax return. We're all used to the April 15th deadline. Of course, last year that got extended to July the 15th. They're doing something this year as well with this federally declared disaster, but it's not the same. That was the one where the federal deadline got extended. This is only for Texans, at least for now. Now, to be clear, the government is still kicking around the possibility of extending the federal filing deadline, but we don't know anything about that yet. As soon as we do, we'll let you know. In regards to Texas and the winter storms here, though, we are getting our tax filing deadline and tax paying deadline extended. But it's not July the 15th this year, so don't conflate the two. This year, it's June the 15th. Now, this is for not only individuals, it's also for businesses. So if you own a partnership or an S corporation, or if you have an LLC that's taxed as an entity, then your filing deadline will very likely be extended from March the 15th up to June the 15th. So the time to file and time to pay for Texans is being extended. Now, the other piece to this is that as it's a federally declared disaster, with the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act that was passed in 2017, it was made so when there is a federally declared disaster, your expenses in regards to burst pipes and fixing drywall and tearing out carpet and all that kind of stuff, the damage caused by the storms that happened and the result of loss of power, that those expenses are going to be tax deductible as an increase to either your itemized or standard deduction. Now that's kind of complicated, but I'll simplify it by essentially saying that you're going to be able to write it off one way or another. Now that does make an assumption, and so I hate to make assumptions in regards to taxes, but the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act could be changed or repealed altogether before the end of the year. Assuming that doesn't happen, you will want to keep receipts for your expenses in regards to the damage done to your home during the winter storms that we just had recently. So hopefully that gives you guys some information to go off of. Of course, if you have additional questions or need more information and you want something that's specific to you and your situation, you should call us or head to our website. Our number is 281-440-6279. That's 281-440-6279. Or reach us at www.mullentax.com. And we hope to see you soon.